Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial on Link2Quotes. So when I'm working on a quote and I'm creating a quote, sometimes I want to see what it looks like. And to do that, all I have to do is come over here to the right hand side and click on preview. Now you want to make sure that you are saving your quote, and the little save icon is right there. So I've saved it, I clicked on preview, and this is the window that opened up right here. So I'm able to preview this quote. Now, if I come back to this quote and I make some changes, for example, let's say that I change it from cookies and cream to peach. I'm going to click save. I'm not going to click on preview again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here and I'm going to click on this, and you'll notice that here it's cookies and cream, but I had changed it to peach. So what do? Well, simply I come up to this little circle right here, and I'm in Google Chrome in this example, or I can press the F5 key, Frank 5, to refresh it. And when I refresh this, it's going to update the quote to show now that I've changed it to peach. So all you have to do is just keep this one window open. As you change things here, go back to the other tab and just refresh it, and you'll be able to see any changes you've made. So by refreshing the quote, you can see the current work you've done. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye now.